Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day, by the grace of God, there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, we're doing a series on miracle signs and wonders performed by Jesus and the disciples, recorded in the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. We're now in the book of Mark. We're doing this so that we will build our faith. Yeah, so walk with me if you want to build your faith too. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language and more people to build them faith, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now is the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here so. 5 o'clock Jamaica time, more or less, every morning. So, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Mark chapter 16 from verse 1 to verse 8. After the Sabbath, Mary Magdalene, Mary, James' mother, and Salome buy some sweet spice figure ninth Jesus' body. And early in the morning, upon the first day of the week, as the sun come up, them head for the tomb. When them did a walk, they said to one another, "Oh, I go roll with the stone from in front of the tomb for we." But when they look up, them see say the big old stone they roll away already. When them go in at the tomb, them shock to see one young man with have on one white jacket sit down on the right hand side. But him say to them, say, "No afraid. Me no say no look for Jesus we come from Nazareth, where them kill on the cross. But him come back alive. Him not there. Look, right over there so, them did put him body. So, go tell him follow them, and Peter too. Say, him a go a Galilee before them come. Unu we see him there, just like when him did tell unu. Them left the tomb and take foot, cause them did so shock and confused. Them never say a word to nobody, cause them did so afraid. A God what this. Thank God.